Tonight, another pharmacy burglary, this time in Grandview.
Police say thieves are stealing the same popular drugs.
KMBC 9's Matt Fleener takes us to the scene. Matt?
Grandview police are trying to figure out who broke into this pharmacy Monday morning around 1 o'clock. You can see the windows here boarded up. Police say a Dodge van actually backed into this front door and broke these windows. And they say the suspect actually stole cough syrup from the pharmacy. The pharmacist says cough syrup is a popular ingredient in party drinks. Police said that Dodge van was stolen out of Kansas City, Missouri. And the pharmacy's owner says it was pretty crazy to get the wake-up call that early in the morning.
Go through that much trouble to have a stolen vehicle and to rear-end it into the front of a locally owned business. It seems crazy to me to do so much for so little.
Police are still asking for anybody's help, and they say if you have any clues, call the Crime Stoppers hotline 816-474-TIPS. In Grandview, Matt Fleener, KMBC 9 News.
Matt, thank you. The pharmacy's owner says he did not have surveillance video, but will install cameras tomorrow.